Hello my dear students. Question related to vector is the position vector of a point A and B relative to an origin O are 6i minus 3j and 15i plus 9j respectively. In first part, find a unit vector parallel to AB. Here we need to find unit vector parallel to AB. As two vectors given here, A and B relative to an origin O. It means these are the position vector. When vector join any point we are joining with the origin, that vector will be the position vector. Then position vector of A, we can write OA. That is 6i minus 3j. We can represent 6i minus 3j. We can write we can represent like this. This coefficient of I and coefficient of j. 6 3 in this form also we can write. Then after that OB, that is equal to, that is 15i plus 9j. We can write like this: 15 9. These two are given vectors. Now first of all we have to find vector AB. We have to find vector AB. As here we need to find the unit vector parallel to AB. For that, first of all we should have vector AB, because for the unit vector, you know what is unit vector? Vector whose magnitude is 1 and is in the direction of the given vector. That is the unit vector. For that, first of all we are finding AB. AB will be, as here this is origin O, point A and B. This origin, this is OA. This vector is OB. Then what will be AB? From A to O and O to B. A, O plus OB. A, O we can write here. AB we are finding AO plus OB. Then AO is negative vector of OA plus OB as it is. We can write this one OB minus OA. OB minus OA. This is vector AB. This is vector AB. AB we can write OB minus OA. As OB is given here 15 9. Then OA is 6 minus 3. 6 and minus 3. Then what will be here? 15 minus 6 will be 9, and 9 minus into this minus plus 3, that is 12. It means AB is 9 12. Then after that as here we need to find the unit vector parallel to AB. Now we will find magnitude of AB. Magnitude of vector AB. Okay, magnitude will be here is if vector AI plus BJ, then magnitude will be A square plus B square whole square root. This will be the magnitude. Here A is 9 and B is 12. Then 9 square plus 12 square. This we have to simplify now. You know 9 square 81 plus 12 square is 144. That will be 81 plus 144 is 225. And you know 15 square is 225. This outside the square root, this will be 15 units. This magnitude is 15 units. Now we will find unit vector parallel to AB. unit vector parallel to AB. For unit vector, that already I told you, vector divided by its magnitude. Vector AB is this 9, 12. 9, 12 divided by its magnitude. Magnitude is 15. This divided by 15 are outside. This 1 divided by 15 we have to multiply. Same thing. Okay. Vector divided by its magnitude. Vector 9, 12 divided by magnitude is 15. Then we will simplify this one. Here this 1 by 15 we will multiply with 9. That will be 9 by 15. And here will be 12 divided by 15. 9 by 15 and 12 divided by 15. This we will simplify. Here 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15, and 4 3s are 12, and 5 3s are 15. Then this vector parallel, unit vector parallel to AB is 3 divided by 5i plus 4 divided by 5j. This will be the required answer. Then after that, second part. Second part is the point C lies on AB. Point C lies on AB such that AC is equal to 2CB. AC is equal to 2CB. Given thing here is AC is equal to 2CB. This is given. As in first part, I told you that AB is OB minus OA. OB minus OA. In the same way, this AC is OC minus OA is equal to 2 as it is. Then CB is OB minus OC. This one. Then after further simplification, OC minus OA is equal to this 2 will multiply inside 2OB minus 2OC. Then this minus 2OC, this side will be plus 2OC. Then OC plus 2OC here will be 3OC, and this side is 2, this OA, other side will be plus OA. This 2OB as it is, this minus OA, other side is plus OA. Then this 3 we have to shift other side. OC is equal to, this 3 will divide other side, 2 divided by 3OB plus 1 divided by 3 OA. 2 divided by 3 OB plus 1 divided by 3 OA. Now this OB and OA, both the vectors we are already having here, that is given in the question. Then OC will be equal to 2 divided by 3 OB. What is OB? OB is 15, 9. 15, 9 plus 1 divided by 3 OA. 1 divided by 3, what is OA? OA is 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. Now we have to simplify this. This 2 by 3 we will multiply inside first with 15 and 9. This 2 divided by 3 into 15 and 2 divided by 3 into 9 plus this 1 by 3 into 6 and here 1 by 3 into minus 3. Then here will be These 3 cancel with 15. 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. This cancel with this. 3 3s are 9. 2 3s are 6 plus 6 divided by 3 here will be 2 and 3 cancel with this 3 here will be minus 1. After addition 10 plus 2 is 12 and here 6 minus 1 will be 5. Then OC is 12 5. Okay, as he was saying, find the position vector of C. Position vector of C means OC, that is 12 5, or you can write like this: OC is equal to 12I plus 5J. This is required answer.